Good morning guys, in front of me is NOKIA C01 PLUS and let me show you how to add photo to contact. First of all, you have to open your phone gallery. Then mark the contact that you want to personalize. Select Edit. Now select Add Picture and choose the picture that you want to apply as the contact one. So it can be one from device photos, one from Google Photos, or illustrations, however you like. Let me choose my own. For example, this one. Let's tap on choose and finally save to apply the change. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.